This? Let's see. Is it free? Sure, it's not free.
It was free for you, but you know.
What? You literally made it sound like a solo mission, so I didn't pull
It was a solo mission. To
So
assist. That's
You
why
never,
I don't,
you
that's why I
literally
don't
said
pass the
you
ball.
never want
That's why I
to.
don't
No,
pass the ball.
remember
Right there.
earlier when you had a free goal, and then I was like, why didn't you score that? And you're like, because you would have gotten an assist.
Yeah.
That's fucked.
It's alright. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, that is unfair. When that happens, it's across the map. So like, what are you gonna do?
Save it.
Alright, I'm putting it up.
One cold cells here. Have another crack at it.
Yeah, to you.
No, I don't do those.
Oh, what the fuck do you take?
You can
then?
only pass the dispenser or yourself.
Oh no. Oh, David's actually booting up Rocket League.
It's too late.
True. Are you for sure getting off after this?
I have no idea.
What'd you say?
I have no idea.
Oh. I think I am. Oh my god, what was that? What was that, man?